There's love in every bit of the mishmash. The Gisele Mishmash.
Let's get art smart by making a sparkly, puffy painting. Okay, so to make your sparkly, puffy painting, you need a few things, such as some construction paper. And you need a bowl with something to stir, like a stir stick or a spoon. And you need shaving cream. Now, you can ask a grown-up for some shaving cream. That's this stuff here. And you also need some glue, white glue. Again, ask a grown-up for some white glue. And a measuring cup. This is a half cup. A grown-up can help you find a measuring cup. And a paintbrush and safety scissors. So, to make your sparkly, puffy painting, the first thing you do is you take your shaving cream and you shake it up. It's kind of fun to do. And then you put about a half cup, that's a bit more than a half cup, into your measuring cup. And then you take some glue. Now, this is again something a grown-up can help you with. I took off the lid, so you gotta be very careful doing this. You pour a half cup of glue into your half cup measuring cup, okay? It's quite a bit of glue. So then you pour it into your shaving cream like this, very exciting. And then you stir it up. Now I have a popsicle stick to stir. It sure gets gooey when you start to stir. Ooh, it feels kind of fun. And you know what? I can feel the shaving cream and glue mixing and becoming puffy. Ooh, that's why it's called puffy paint. Now, the other thing that you can add, you don't have to add this if you don't have any, but I do have some. It is glitter, or sparkles, as I like to call them. Now you add some glitter into your mixture. And it makes it all sparkly. Look at that. Ooh, it's pretty. I think I'm gonna add just a bit more. There we go. Ooh, and this is how you make your sparkly, puffy paint. Okay, so now all you do is paint. This is the really fun part. You take a piece of paper and then you paint. What shall I paint? How about a puffy, sparkly snow person? Okay, so how do you make a snow person? Well, you need to have a big ball on the bottom, right? So, a ball looks like a shape. Do you know what shape I'm making? It's a circle. Oh, it's such nice puffy paint. So this is the bottom of my snow person. It has a big circle at the bottom. And then I have to put another circle on top of the big circle. So do you know what size I should make for the middle circle on top of this circle here? I'll make a medium circle. Okay, whoopsies. Oh, my puffy paint splattered across my painting. Okay, there we go. There is a medium-sized circle. And then on top, what size of circle should I put on top? The last circle is a small circle for a snow person. Okay, there we go. You know what? This squiggly line of glue, my sparkly puffy paint, looks like an arm. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to add another arm on this side of my snow person. Oh, it's looking lovely. Okay, and you know what else? I can add some sparkles now on top. Why not make it a little extra sparkly? Ooh, that looks pretty. Oh, when that dries, it's gonna be just lovely. Now, I am also going to add a little face with some extra paper here. This is actually some foamy paper that I found. So I'm going to make a little carrot nose on my snow person. And I'm going to add, it's like a triangle shape, the carrot. And I'm going to add 2 eyes, 2 little square eyes, like so. There we go. This is my puffy, sparkly painting snow person. Ooh, it is lovely. Grown-ups, if you like this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and please tell a friend. Doing so helps me to grow my channel so I can create more educational kids videos for YouTube. I'll see you in more videos of the Gisele Mishmash.